How to reset/recover your Electrum Wallet account password. Greetings Electrum Wallet users. If you have forgotten your password or need to recover your access to the account, then fear not. In this video, we'll be walking you through the steps to reset or recover your Electrum Wallet account password, so you can ensure that you will gain access to your funds securely. So let's begin. Launch the Electrum Wallet application on your device. If prompted to enter a password, then you can simply click on Forgot Password or Recover Password option. Alternatively, if you cannot access the wallet due to password issues, close the application and reopen it. On the login screen, look for and click on the Forgot Password or Recover Account link. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the password recovery process. You may be asked to provide certain details to your identity such as wallet seed phrase or previously set recovery email address. Enter the required information accurately and proceed to the next step. If you are using a seed phrase for recovery, ensure that you have it stored securely and enter it when prompted. Follow any additional instructions provided by the Electrum Wallet application to complete your password reset or account recovery process. Once the process is successfully completed, you'll regain the access of your Electrum Wallet account with a new password or recovered access. Ensure to set a new strong, memorable password for the future use and consider enabling additional security features offered by Electrum Wallet to safeguard your funds.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.